Hi and welcome to apnacourse.com. Today we will be looking at a free upgradation to the standard plan for two key courses, which is Goods and Service Tax (GST) and Tally. So in the Apna Course website under GST course page, you will see a set of offerings as basic plan, which gives you the 30-day free access and which is free of cost, and then the standard plan, which is paid. Now what we will do today is to look at how to get free access or a free upgrade to the standard plan that will not only give you a 180 days access to the video lectures, but also the course completion certificate and access to the final exam. This is applicable only for two courses, as we said, which is one is GST and the other one being Tally ERP 9 for beginners. Now on the top, you will see this link called as exams. Okay, this is a new product of Apna Course. So it's called Exams by Apna Course, which is a play to earn rewards program. So it's the first ever skill based game which allows you to earn while you learn. Now in exams, log in with your Apna Course credentials. If you do not have one yet, you could you could register on the platform. So you will log in or register with credentials which is same as apnacourse.com. So it's the same platform. So whether you're on exams or you're on apnacourse.com, use the same credentials. So for the sake of demo, let's just say test 18012, given a mobile number 6543210, an email ID as test18.12 at let's say apnacourse.com, and we create or we give a password, right? So once you're signed up, you are given this option to choose whether you want to log in as an educator or a student. Educators are the set of users who post questions on exams. Students are the set of users who will attempt the questions. So choose student and then agree to the normal terms and conditions, and and then you get to choose the segment. There are two segments available for students. One is called public exams, where you get exams accessible for all across the platforms, and you get to see a list of questions hosted by top trainers and training institutes across 30 plus categories. And then the private exams, where if you are a student of an education institute or a training institute and they are using Apna Course as a assessment portal, then they will share a unique code to attempt exams, and you log into the private exams to enter the code and take up the test. So go to the public exams. In there you get to choose, so you are in the start exam page. On the left you will see dashboard, exams, result page, start, wallet, info, etc. As we said, this is a play to earn concept, which means that the more you learn, the more you earn. This is more of a gamified learning platform. So you have the option to start the exam, and a list of top educators are also displayed for a certain set of exams on the screen. And there is also a welcome bonus. So right on top and the right end, as for one time first time registration participants, there is a welcome bonus. So for the users who are coming into exams by Apna Course, you have a one time registration bonus or a welcome bonus. Click that, it will give you 50 A coins. A coins is the digital currency on exams by Apna Course. So you get 50 free A coins, which otherwise would have cost you over 100 rupees or so, as a one-time registration bonus to attempt any play to earn exam and to win cashback. So you claim the 50 A coins. You will see that when you go to the dashboard, you will see those 50 A coins as part of your dashboard as well. So you will see it here saying there are 50 A coins that has been added. You will also be able to see it in the wallet history that there has been a welcome bonus credit of 50. So you go back to the start page, choose the exam group. So there are two exam group that you see, upskilling and competitive. Competitive is for all entrance exams like JEE, NEET, UPSC, CA Foundation, etc., etc. So you are able to see those on the screen, and there are more and more getting added as we speak. Go to the upskilling. Upskilling has subjects like banking and finance, project management and business analysis, IT security, and so on and so forth. So within, if you're taking the GST course, then choose GST India as the subject within banking and finance. If you're taking the Tally ERP course, choose general accounting as the subject under banking and finance. So if you're taking the GST course, you will choose GST India as the subject. You will see a leaderboard, and this is important from an understanding perspective, because the more you are able to attempt questions correctly, you not only get cashback, but you also get leaderboard rewards, and that's the fun part of it. So you get cashback, and there are also leaderboard rewards. So it tells you there are a certain number of questions categorized as easy, medium, and hard. So it tells here there are 6 easy, 37 medium, and 9 hard, and the categorization is through an algorithm. And this is the information around it. So easy questions are those where the minimum attendees are less than or equal to 10, or greater than 75% students have got it right. Medium is between 25 to 75% students getting it right, and hard is less than 25% students getting it right. There are two other terminologies here. Rewards multiplier. So this rewards multiplier is the reward points. This is the right side leaderboard. You are able to see the points, right? So these points are calculated by multiplying the time saved per question into the rewards multiplier. So rewards multiplier for easy is 1, for medium is 2, and for hard is 5. Then there is the cashback. This is the number of A coins you get back on every correct answer. Higher the difficulty, higher the cashback. So on easy you get 1.5 cashback, on medium you get 2, and on hard you get 3. We did get the bonus, welcome bonus, and that's why the balance is 50. We are planning to attempt, let's say, instead of 6 questions. This is to determine how many questions you want to attempt. Easy has 6 questions. So let's say we go and we want to attempt only 5 of those 6 questions. You just enter the number 5. So you require 5 A coins to attempt it. You will have balance of 50. It tells us that this is a play to earn exam. So we enroll with the A coins equivalent to the number of questions to attempt and get A coins as cashback for every correct answer. So we submit. This is for GST India subject, and this is for those who want to get the free upgrade to the GST India course. The minimum requirement is for the upgrade is 20 questions attempt and at least 50% right. So in this you're able to see that easy has only 6, so you can go to the medium so that you can attempt at least 20 questions. So minimum 20 questions to be attempted and at least 50% right, which means that you need to get 10 or more correct, so that you can then share the link of the certificate to support at Apna course and get the free upgrade to the standard plan. So here let's go ahead. You will not see the same numbers because more the number of questions getting added, and this is a dynamic algorithm as you see on the screen here. So what we see now as 37 in medium could change. Some could get into easy, some could get into hard, etc. So you can choose under which category or section you want to attempt those 20 questions and get at least 10 of those 20 right. So at the moment we have about 188 students on the leaderboard for this particular exam. So we submit and the exam starts. It will tell us there are 20 questions and there are 1188 seconds and a particular set of difficulty, etc. So once you start, there will be the timer that will get started, and then once you complete it, you can then go ahead and share the results to us at support@apnacourse.com, and we will be able to enable a free standard upgrade. So I will very quickly show you a couple of questions. What is RCM in GST? Of course, all of us know it's reverse charge mechanism, and therefore we choose RCM as reverse charge mechanism. What does POS stand for? It is, of course, place of supply. Within how many days should a Part A e-way bill be updated with Part B details like vehicle number, mode of transport, etc.? It is 15 days. So you can just go ahead, keep answering all of these. You also have the option to skip, and you will be able to see that the rank also on the right side is constantly increasing. So you're already from 189 students, you got to 133 rank. The invoice number and date can be modified for a given IRN. It is true or false. The answer is false, and therefore 133 rank, we'll see what it becomes. It becomes 121. We have already got 396 reward points so far. The IRN is generated by the IRP, which is the Invoice Registration Portal. Currently, NIC is the only IRP, but very shortly there will be more IRPs that will get onboarded by the GSTN, ABC Limited, and so on and so forth. So you can constantly keep going and answering all the other questions. For sake of time, we'll kind of skip these, and I'll show what happens at the end of the screen and how you will be sharing the details to us. The maximum number of line items allowed for one invoice of closes 1000 and so on and so forth. So let's just go ahead, quickly skip this and complete this exam, and we are done. So once you complete the exam, you get the results. You also will be very happy if you are able to give a rating and a review of this. So you will see the result. You can also see what are correct, wrong, and not attempted by just clicking on this tick marks. These are a set of questions that are not attempted, etc. So this is what we want you to get, which is 10 at least. So I have in this example got 6 out of 20. Therefore, I am not eligible for the free standard upgrade. Get at least 10 out of 20 questions, and you will have the option on top here to share your certificate. You can share it via WhatsApp, email, or download. You can just choose email and email it to support@apnacourse.com. And if your score is 10 or above, do send that email to us. You want to get that email ID, you will also be able to see it in the help center as support@apnacourse.com. In case you do not have Acoins or you have exhausted your Acoins, there is always the option to add them. As I said, this is a rewards platform. So you will also be able to see, as you saw on the screen, we got 6 correct answers, and this was a medium difficulty question, and therefore 2 times the cashback has been credited to us. So we lost 20, we got debited of 20 Acoins at the start of the exam because we entered 20 questions as the number of questions to attempt. We got 6 right and we got 12 credited, so balance is 42. So net on net, we have not lost much. We've kind of gained a lot actually by not attempting 14 questions and still just losing 8 Acoins. So if you feel there are lesser number of coins or you do not have much balance and you want to add, you can always add, and the pricing is extremely economical. For 50 coins you get at 100 rupees, for 200 coins at 300 rupees, and for 500 coins at 500 rupees. You can instantly do the addition of how many ever coins you want, choose to check out, make the online payment, go through the online payment gateway, add the Acoins, and again start your exam. So this is for both GST as well as Tally. As I said, for Tally, you will go to upskilling, you will choose general accounting. This has more than 126 questions at the moment itself. Choose the minimum number of questions as 20. Go ahead and attempt. You can also attempt it in easy. There are 34 easy questions already, 89 medium. So go ahead, attempt these questions. Choose 20 minimum number of questions to attempt. Get 10 or more right and share the certificate result to support@apnacourse.com. Get your free standard plan upgrade. That will then give you the access to the certificate and the final course for course completion certificate and the final exam. I hope you've understood this and you liked what we saw. Best wishes for your preparation. Take care.